Hey guys, so I just wanted to leave some instructions for you for what you're going to be doing today. So once you all you're all on Classroom, you've watched this video, and you will see this post here that says cultural blending. So then I want you to go ahead and open that up, and I want to go over what this document is all going to look like. Okay, the first thing I need you guys to do, you're going to watch this YouTube video and you're going to write a reflection. The video is like 6 or so minutes long. Either turn the volume down really softly or you can use headphones, okay? This is all going to be about the natives, the slaves, and European blending that happened in Latin America, okay? And then this next section, so after you guys do that YouTube video individually, you guys can work sporadically throughout this document, so you don't necessarily have to go in the same order. So this section here, you will see at the front of the room, there's a folder that says Maya, Aztec, and Inca. When you work on that section, I want you to take the entire folder, okay, the entire folder, fill out the Aztec section, and then I want you to put it back on the board when you're finished, okay? So you'll take that entire packet, that entire folder to finish that section. Okay, next you have sentences. You're going to write sentences, and here I've given you the word, the part of speech, the definition, and you're going to write the sentence. Okay, make it a complex sentence and be sure to underline the word. Okay, photo analysis. You're going to go to this website, okay, and once you get to that website, under the capture of slaves in Africa, you're going to look at these pictures and you're going to answer these 3 questions that go along with that section. So for every section, you're going to answer these questions. The first thing you noticed, what question comes to mind, and describe the activity or persons in the picture. If you want to focus on one picture, that's fine, or you can focus on the entire cluster. The writing analysis, similar to the folder stuff, you're going to use the folder that says slave stories. Okay, you're going to take that entire folder and then you will find the story that says the middle passage, so on and so forth, and you're going to answer these 3 questions. Each story is only like 1 page long, okay? And then this section here, you're probably going to need your earbuds again, right? This is going to be aspects of African culture that remain in Latin America today. Okay, you will either read or listen to or watch a video and answer these 2 questions, and then Google and insert an image that represents something you learned about what you read or saw. Then don't worry about the in conclusion questions. You are not going to get that finished, okay? You definitely won't finish in class, but there should be no phones, okay? And you should be working the entire time. There should be no talking. This is totally individual work. Okay, we will work on this again on Thursday, but you should be able to get a good section done. I would shoot to get like at least 1 section done, okay? And obviously you will all be working in on different sections, okay? Have a good day, guys.